Guys, probably napanood nyo na ang aking first impression and unboxing nitong vivo Y76 5G. And this is not a new phone. It's released last December. And this time around, meron silang collaboration with Mobile Legends Bang Bang. And I know that this phone, like all of you know, na ito is good for vlogging, for content creators, for influencer, and yung mga mahilig mag-TikTok, mag-YouTube, okay na okay ito. But now, meron siyang cover na Mobile Legends Bang Bang, meaning this one should be able to game without a problem. So, tatalakayin natin siya in this full review. Sit back, relax, buksan natin. So, hi guys! Ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So, hawak natin is the vivo Y76 5G na may Mobile Legend Bang Bang na cover. And it's just a cover. Probably this is a collaboration between the two great companies. But bago sa lahat, buksan natin. Sabi ko na nga ba, ito is just a slip-on na box. It's a empty box. Akala ko printed on siya dito, no? But nevertheless, it's still good since it's a something that will commemorate yung collaboration between Vivo and Mobile Legend. And so if you're a fan ng Mobile Legend Bang Bang, this box is a keepsake. One of the things na appreciate ko kay Vivo is that meron pa rin siyang headset. Kahit basic lang, nakasama sa loob ng box na wala sa ibang company. And so, hawak na natin si Y76 5G. Ang ganda ng kanyang color, Cosmic Aurora. Once na tinamaan siya ng ilaw, magbabago siya. Meron parang rainbowish na color, then mag-gradient niya pababa, and making the phone really, really nice. Kita mo, pag tinamaan siya ng ilaw, nag-iiba siya. Which is really good. Siyempre, kung gusto niyo ma-maintain ang ganda nitong phone na ito sa labas, use a clear case or don't use any case at all. So right now, papasyalin ko muna kayo dito sa phone na ito. Sa ilalim lang sa loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course, andyan pa ang kanyang audio jack, which is very good. Sa ibabaw, nandiyan kanyang SIM tray. And pag sinundot mo ang SIM tray, makikita mo, it's a hybrid slot. So, 1 nano SIM and 1 micro SD or 2 nano SIM na 5G. Sa kabilang side, andyan ang kanyang volume rocker and of course, ang kanyang power button / fingerprint scanner. Sa likod, ang kanyang 50MP na triple camera setup. Sa harap, ang kanyang teardrop notch na 16MP front-facing camera. So probably marami sa inyo nakapagpanood na ng review na ibang vlogger since this phone is nothing new. It's just me sharing my experience using this phone. And by the way guys, itong phone na ito, nagkaroon siya ng massive na price drop from 16,999 ngayon 14,999 pesos. I'll be posting the link on the description below. Itong phone na ito is packed with the Dimensity 700. And nakuha ng score dito sa Antutu benchmark na 9.4.1. 346,000 points. Well, for me, legit naman ka ng score. Okay naman ang itong score na to for this Dimensity 700. Pretty good and I expect a good performance from this one. Itong score nakuha niya sa wildlife. So, chinek ko si DRM info and nakakuha tayo ng level 1 na wildlife security level. And that means na pwede ka manood ng mga HD sa Netflix and other online streaming apps na nandito sa phone mo. And by the way guys, itong phone na ito has a 6.58-inch na IPS LCD. It's an in-cell display na may FHD Plus na resolution. Which for me, okay naman siya, no? Even though na hindi siya AMOLED display, okay pa rin siya. And even though na wala siyang 90Hz screen refresh rate, dahil it's a basic 60Hz refresh rate, okay naman siya. Dahil I believe na ginamit ni Vivo dito is yung mga higher variant, no? Mas magandang klaseng LCD to give you that better experience here. Now, having said that, I know na gusto niyo malaman kung gaano kaganda ang display na itong phone na ito. I know na sasabihin nyo, hindi AMOLED. Well, might be mas okay sana ako AMOLED. But for me, tinry ko naman siya gamitin for more than 3 weeks na dito sa aking table and sa aking bulsa. Ginamit ko siya as my daily driver. And pinanood ko siya ng movies and Netflix dito using this phone. And I was surprised na magandang display. Even though na sinabi naman ni Vivo na it's an in-cell display. So meaning it will reproduce better resolution, better colors dito sa phone na ito, giving you the better experience while watching your favorite shows. And so I did enjoy naman dito sa phone nito, watching some videos on YouTube, on Netflix, and other online streaming apps na, well, giving me probably the best experience here. Well, okay na experience siya for a mid-range category, no? And of course, sa browsing experience naman sa social media like Facebook and TikTok, okay naman. Smooth ang aking experience. Probably if you're coming off from a 90 Hz screen refresh rate, going down to a 60, medyo mafe-feel mo parang medyo na sumasabit sa konti. But nevertheless, hindi naman kapansin-pansin masyado. No, ako kasi I came from 120 Hz, so going down to 60, well, I did feel some parang medyo sumasabit, no? Hindi siya ganun ka-silky smooth. But overall naman, I can say na pwede na. Not bad na siya for its price point. One of the things na gustong-gusto ko dito sa phone na ito is ang kanyang ultra slim design. 7.9mm lang kanyang kapal and it's really thin. I love it. It's really easy to handle. Ako personally, I don't like yung mga kapal na phone. And gusto ko yung mabilis na ilagay sa akin bulsa, sa likod ng akin pocket. Yung manipis lang, no? Yung hindi uumbok na malaki. And this is probably the perfect phone na ilalagay ko sa akin bulsa. And lalo mga jeans ngayon medyo masiskip. So, I think this is perfect. Now, ang phone na ito has a battery size na hindi sobrang laki. 4,100 mAh na battery. And it's not anywhere near big. But the only thing na I'm proud of is manipis siya. And the 4,100 mAh of battery have support sa 44 watts na fast charging. And what I'm proud of is itong phone na ito has 44 watts of flash charge, meaning mabilis mag-charge. And to my surprise, itong phone na ito, no, chinarge ko from 11 to 100. And I was really surprised in less than an hour, 54 minutes. Tapos na mag-charge from 11 to 100. Meaning, mabilis, no? Now, the next thing in your mind probably tatanong mo sa akin, gaano tatagal tong phone na ito, yung battery niya. Eh, mabilis siya mag-charge, mabilis din siya mag-drain. But to my surprise din, well, hindi. Kaya na magtagal ng almost 2 days. Tinry ko siya, no? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, 3 weeks sa akin. And I was surprised na makunat ang kanyang battery. And sinalang ko rin siya sa PC Mark na battery stress test. It was able to give me a whopping 16 hours and 24 minutes. Meaning, makunat nga talaga to. Normally, mga battery size na 4,000 mAh, 8, 9 hours, yun lang kaya niya itagal. Ba ito, halos doble, 16 hours and a half. Sobrang kunat. And itong phone na ito is currently running FunTouch OS 12 inside Android 12. And what's nice is, meron siyang RAM extension. It can expand your 8 gigs of RAM to 12. So 8 plus 4. You do the math. So meaning ng RAM extension na yun, it will give you that better boost pagdating sa opening mga apps, lalo sa multitasking, para walang sabit. And so nat-intriga naman ako sa phone na ito, having this Mobile Legends Bang Bang na, front cover dito sa box niya. It lets me think na this phone should be able to game ng maayos, no? So sinalong ko naman siya. I did play Mobile Legends Bang Bang on this one. I'll tell you honestly guys, okay na okay siya, no? I wouldn't say na kaya ko siya i-set sa highest settings, but nasa medium settings or a little bit below medium settings, okay na. Quite smooth naman ang gameplay. I wasn't really having any problem with this one. But probably occasionally may mafe-feel ka kunting lags and kunting frame drops, but it's a given since Dimensity 700 isn't the best flagship chip na available in the market at that price point. And of course, the gameplay is smooth, the screen is big, and I was able to enjoy. Probably the only problem dito na napansin ko is yung loudspeaker niya hindi ganun kalakasan. So I would suggest that you use your favorite headphones or use your Bluetooth TWS to compromise and give you a better immersive experience while playing the game. So ngayon guys, sinabi naman ni Vivo na this is a vlogging phone. So I was really intrigued with this one. So gusto ko pakita sa inyo yung full performance netong camera niya. Ay 50MP na main sensor, together with a 2MP na bokeh sensor, and 2MP na macro lens. It can record up to 60 FPS, together may PIS pa siya. And of course, sa harap ang kanang 16MP na front-facing shooter. So I did put this camera to a test. So dinala ko siya sa Manila Cathedral to one of the most historic place in Manila and probably one of the oldest church here in Metro Manila. So, I did try yung kanyang dual video. So, naka-on ang harap and naka-on ang likod. Sabay nagre-record. So, what's nice about this one is that you see my reaction and you see what's behind me or probably what's in front of me, yung nakikita ko. So, you see both yung goodness, no? Yung reaction ko as yung content creator and yung nangyayari sa harap. So, panoorin niyo muna itong quick clip na ito. Guys, hawak natin right now is the vivo Y76 5G. And I'm in front of Manila Cathedral, and this is probably one of the most historic church here in Metro Manila. And you can see my video na quite stable siya, no? While I'm walking, kita nyo kung ano reaction ko dito, kung tumatawa man ako, sumisimangot or what. Diba? I mean, this is probably one of the best vlogging experience that you can find. Having the vivo Y76 5G. It's quite stable. I love the video, shoot at 1080p, 60 fps. And kita natin ang ganda ng church. Though hindi na makapasok kasi bawal naman mag-shoot sa loob. I'm just panning around here para makita niyo yung paligid dito while I'm here. Diba? I mean, appreciate yung reaction ko and you appreciate the beauty of what's in front of me. Yun ang ganda nitong vivo Y76 5G. Anong comment niyo? Share it on the comment section below. Let me know. Okay nga ba ang kanyang front and rear camera or what you call dual video na camera running together? Let me know. For me, ang experience using the dual video, it was really nice. It's a nice experience on this budget level na phone. 14,999. It's really a treat having that feature. So normally itong feature ito is above yung mga higher variants ng mga phone. And of course, this one having EIS, sabi nga niya, yung rear video niya is quite stable. But yung front is medyo shaky kunti. So yeah, even though na ganon, I suggest na you might want to use a gimbal para medyo mas stable, no, ang iyong video. Kasi sa likod okay eh. Pero sa harap sana gawin mo na rin okay. So you might want to use a gimbal. Now, I can say yung resolution niya sa rear maganda. Sa front, okay naman. Medyo nahirapan lang nga lang siya konti mag-shift ng lightings. So kung medyo madilim, medyo ano siya, nahirapang mag-adjust ang sensor niya. But overall, it's still good for startup na content creators, for influencer, can use it for TikTok, for YouTube, okay na okay siya. And taking pictures naman using the rear camera, well, okay siya. I can say na outdoors, bright na bright siya. As long as magandang yung lightings, wala kang problema. Even sa indoors, okay din siya, no? There are times na siguro sobrang dilim, medyo mag-underperform siya. But given na meron proper lighting sa yung rear camera, the rear camera is pretty good. Sa front-facing camera, I would say na hindi siya sobrang ganun kaganda. It's okay, but probably not the best in this price segment. I can say na okay naman siya, taking pictures outdoors na may ilaw, but when it comes to indoors, medyo mapapansin mo, medyo naging grainy siya. So, medyo hirap nga lang tong camera niya a little bit when it comes to darkness, no? But if you guys turn on the night mode dito sa kanyang rear camera, I'll tell you na maganda ang kanyang shots dahil i-enhance niya ang lightings, no, dito sa phone na ito. Well, if you use the night mode. Now guys, after watching this video, what can you say about the vivo Y76 5G? Ako, I'm having a good impression about this phone. Slim, really nice, sarap bitbitin, maganda ka ng camera, and of course, magkulat ka ng battery. And the performance is nice. Dimensity 700, I believe that it's really a good chip. And it was able to perform on a day-to-day basis without a hitch. After price drop, itong phone na ito is currently selling at 14,999. I'll be posting the link on the description below. And for me guys, itong phone na ito, si vivo Y76 5G, is definitely a worth buy. If you're out there looking for a really nice camera, a really trendy phone, and a very solid battery. So guys, ang dami ko pang ibang video na in-store dito sa aking channel. Just check the playlist. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na yung bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Wata!